Straight off of Facebook Marketplace, right into my trunk, 2 brand new executioners. Well, not brand new, but never been used. There's a packing list somewhere. I'm gonna see how old it. When were they ordered? That's what I want to know. I got them for $45 a piece. I'm thinking, Colonel Craftsman, look out. $25, $10, $12s. According to this packing list, these things were purchased way back in 2016. They've waited a long time. I'm not gonna make them wait any longer. I was just asking myself, are these the first new, meaning never been mounted ATV tires that you bought? And I thought, no, I bought 2 yesterday. These 2 I just bought for the zero turn. I think step 1 of these, I'm gonna get the hose and clean them up. Maybe we'll mount them tomorrow. Colonel Craftsman has been needing attention for months now. He's about to get new tires. I also want to do a pulley swap. That will require a different belt. I need to fix the choke on it. Maybe an oil change. Really need some front tires. Hang on a second. Got these tires rolled out in the sun, and I got Colonel Craftsman the mud rinsed off from the river. I'm gonna roll it up into the garage now and get these back tires changed out. Once you get air in the Executioner, I think it might even be taller than the Dunlop. I know the lugs are taller. Let's get the other one done. I got it covered in tire shine. Maybe when I go through the clay hole, the clay won't stick as bad. Plus it looks better. One-handed. Both tires are now on. I think up next I'm gonna fix the choke. They don't want to start without a choke. This is the original choke cable and its condition was terminal. I couldn't save it, but I did find one on the parts mower ready to go on. Well, I got the choke out of the dash. I decided to work on the dash a little bit. I took out the amp meter. It looks just like crud. Can barely even see through it. So I took it apart. I'm gonna clean it up, clean up that lens. If that don't work out, I might drill a circle and then put that gauge in there. That looks more military anyway. And then the rest of it, I might just paint over all this, flat black everything. Amp gauge update, everything is looking so great, except for this lens. It's like having cataracts. Anyway, I gotta find something to cut another piece of plastic out of, and I got something in my brain right now. So I got this 22 caliber ammo box. That might work. Or we could do a Remington amp meter. Just gotta find a good way to cut it. Remington looks good. Or clear looks good. I guess whichever one cuts out the best. This is how the lens turned out on the gauge. It popped right into place. Thought I was going to have to super glue it, but it's in there. I'm not going to mess with it. Now the needle's faded. I'm going to try to put a little orange on it. That ought to work. And then here's how it turned out. Just got to put it back in the dash. I'm getting the dash put back together. This is the deck, which don't exist, so it could be some other switch. It could be a LED light bar switch. Who knows? I've got my choke in. I've got to get the key switch back in. There's just a plug in that hole. We could put a switch there someday if we need one. Got to get the amp meter back in and the headlight switch back in and the steering wheel back on and the paper off of it. Kind of like that. tires are a little bit bumpy on the highway, but I guess that's to be expected.